Welcome everyone to our demonstration of our new app, Simpleray Solar Tracker. Before we begin, just want to explain, Simpleray is formerly known as Iowa Wind and Solar. We changed our name last year to better reflect our presence here in the Midwest and to emphasize our new emphasis on solar. Okay, let's begin. Why did we develop Tracker? The online monitoring apps offered currently are all made by the inverter manufacturers. So those apps, while they do work, are maybe not as easy and intuitive to use as we would like. So we wanted to create a convenient mobile application for tracking your solar array production. And the added benefit of this app is it makes it really easy to get in touch with us here at Simpleray and share your solar production information on social media, if that's something you would like to do. Okay, so there are 3 steps here today, and the first is to download, the second is to log in, and then the third is to try the app out. And I'll show you how to use the menu and the different screens that you can access. So on your mobile device, such as a smartphone or an iPad or a tablet, you'll go to the Google Play Store or to the App Store on Apple devices. Once you're inside the store, search for Simpleray and you'll locate Simpleray Solar Tracker, our nice little sun symbol there. That's how you know you've gotten to the right app. Then depending on your phone, you'll click Get or you'll click Install. Then you'll wait a little while for the app to download, and finally you will open the app. The first screen you'll see is our login screen. If you have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and click Sign in with Google for a one-click login. Otherwise, you can use the email and password that we will provide to you. Once you get logged in, you'll need to select your solar project. So at Simpleray, we have a solar array on our office, and that's what we'll use for the purposes of this demo. Here is our dashboard, our solar production for today, the amount the array has saved us since we installed it, and the last 10 days of monitoring. So this dashboard gives you at a glance some helpful info and some helpful links. If you have a friend or a colleague or you know a business owner who you think could benefit from solar, we encourage you to share with them. You can also contact us if you have questions or need any help. Click on the numbers, the dates, to compare your solar production on different days. Now, to get to the rest of the app, we'll need to access the menu, which is located in the top left-hand corner. Click that icon and you'll see the rest of the menus. We have key stats, monitoring, referral rewards, and chat if you need to reach out. So we'll go through these quickly, and feel free to just get logged in and play with the app. That's really the best way to learn it and get comfortable with where you need to go. Your key stats include lifetime revenue as well as some energy saved information. If when you log in, lifetime revenue says 0, just go ahead and contact us. That only means that we haven't entered in what you were paying for electricity before. So if we can get that information from you about what you were being charged before, we'll go ahead and set that up and that number will populate. Don't worry, you are saving money. You can see it on your electric bills. Now to toggle over to environmental, just click the word environmental. Here are the environmental benefits of your array so far. So the environmental impact of solar is huge, and we wanted to make it easy for you to share with friends on Facebook or through email. So you'll click one of these yellow sharing buttons, and you'll have multiple options based on your phone and the apps you have installed to go ahead and share with those apps very easily. And if you'd like to, you can tag us at Simpleray Solar, and we'd love to see your post and give you a like. Next up is monitoring. Monitoring is really kind of the heart of this app. where you can see more detailed monitoring information than on your dashboard. So we land here on day, but we also have weekly, monthly, and yearly production information. You can scroll back and forth using your touchscreen just by swiping left and right. So here's daily. We can look at yesterday as well. A little bit cloudy yesterday and quite rainy the day before, if I remember. You can toggle over to week by clicking on the word week, and you can customize what week you want to look at by clicking on that date range there and then selecting a new date range. Then we have month. This is my favorite view. You can see how you're doing each month. Now there is a natural dip here in the winter. The sun is lower in the southern sky and we have shorter days. So it's natural to see this curve here in the winter, and then things pick back up again as we go into spring, and then summer production is really good. Now, if you have your array for multiple years, which we know you will, then you can click on year and compare your year-to-year production. And there's bound to be a little bit of natural variation there. Next up, we have Referral Rewards. Now, we wanted to make it really easy. If you do have a friend you think could also benefit from solar, we want to make it easy for you to share their information with us. Now, you enter in their name, their email address, and their phone number, their physical address if you've got it, and anything extra we should know about them. Say like, my friend Bob, he owns a car wash, something like that. And what's really great about this feature is after you click submit, it goes to us. We're gonna follow up with them, see if solar could be a good fit, no pressure. And then if they go solar, you'll make $1,000 for referring them to us. So it's really just as easy as filling this out and clicking submit. Last, we have chat. If you have a question or there's just something about your array or about solar you're curious about, you can click this plus button to go ahead and send us a message, and we'll respond. It doesn't go like a text message, but it does go into our email and we'll respond promptly. Now, one last feature you need to know about if you have more than one solar array site. So down here in the bottom left-hand corner is switch projects. If you have multiple arrays at multiple locations, this is where you can toggle between them. So you would have a couple different options and just click on the name to see the production information for that array. Now, going back to our dashboard, there is also a toggle button there. So over here, it's in the top right corner, switch project, and you can switch from the dashboard as well. All right. Now, if you have any trouble getting the app downloaded, logging in, or you'd just like to talk more and get more of a customized session over the phone to give you a tour of the app, we'd be happy to do that for you. Just go ahead and contact us via phone or email, 800-808-0786, and we would be glad to do that for you. And we really hope you enjoy the app. Thank you for being our customer, and be in touch if you have any ideas of how we can make this better and easier to use for you. All right, have a bright day.